These are the ink cartridges replacements for Canon 260 and 261 ink XL. They are compatible with Canon Pixma TS420A, TS6420, TS6400, TR7020A, and several others. As you can see over here, you need to replace these ones. They come protected in those bags. So the only thing you need to do is just remove the current cartridges that you have on your printer. And then on this one, you will have to pull that yellow sticker out. That way it's ready to be installed in your printer. You remove both of them before placing them into your printer, and it's that easy. You just click them closed, you close your printer, and you start printing. I wanted to show you here how it prints in color. This is just a regular paper, so it's just regular paper that I just use for letters and other kind of things, but in this case I decided to print an image, and in this case I also wanted to show you in photo paper. That way you can see the difference between them and how the quality of the image is when you utilize the paper for pictures or any other paper, and the quality of the ink in these pictures, as you can see, is really good, very nice, very glossy. So yep,